Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to share how you can benefit your body and your appearance through everyday foods and simple remedies. In this session, I will explain in detail why beauty is something that comes from what you eat and from how you care for your body as a whole. Every woman hopes to stay young and beautiful forever. Because of this, people who understand business all know that women are one of the most powerful consumer groups. This is not only because women can sometimes be more emotionally driven and make impulsive decisions, but also because women naturally have a strong desire for beauty that goes beyond basic survival. As long as a concept or a product tells women that it can remove wrinkles, improve their appearance, and preserve youth, many people are willing to spend money on it without hesitation. But in reality, beauty and health are the same thing, because what determines a person's appearance comes down to two key aspects. One is the face, and the other is body shape. When it comes to the face, aside from the facial features that are determined at birth, what you can influence later in life is your hair and your skin. When it comes to body shape, aside from bone structure, what you can influence is your muscle and your fat. And all of these things that you can influence are not something that can truly be changed by applying products or by makeup. They are shaped by what you eat and by the overall condition of your body. They are external expressions of internal health. For example, your skin is actually just a very thin layer. The condition of your skin is completely determined by the blood supply underneath it. Our skin does not have the ability to absorb nutrients in the way many people believe. The main function of the skin is to act as a barrier. It is the first line of defense for our body. If the skin could absorb whatever you wanted it to absorb, then after swimming in the ocean, we would all come out salty. Fortunately, that is not the case. So if you only focus on what you apply on your skin, it is very difficult to create significant results, because the effect from external application is extremely limited. And when it comes to muscle and fat, they are even more influenced by the overall state of the body. The body is an integrated system. What that means is that every part is affected by the whole, and every part also affects the whole. So you cannot expect to treat one part of your body in isolation. For example, there have been public discussions about certain celebrities trying extreme ways to lose weight, such as exercising while wrapping parts of their body to increase sweating. Methods like this can indeed lead to weight loss, and people may feel that it helps slim a specific area, such as the waist. But it is important to understand that this is not because of the wrapping itself. The wrapping simply helps retain heat, increases body temperature, and boosts metabolism, which leads to increased fat consumption throughout the entire body. The reason the waist appears to slim first is because fat in that area tends to be softer and shows change earlier. This example is meant to emphasize one point: the body always works as a whole. So you cannot expect a body that is weak and in poor condition to produce a face that looks radiant and glowing. For this reason, I have always emphasized that investing only in your appearance is not as effective as improving your internal condition. There have also been many well-known examples in the public eye where actresses became much thinner, but people still felt that something was missing. They may look slim, but not energetic. Sometimes their posture appears less upright, and their overall presence lacks vitality. Even though actors often go through strict physical training, this still happens. One possible reason is age, As the body naturally changes over time, energy and nourishment decline, which affects hair, skin, and overall condition. Another important reason is the method of weight loss. Many people rely on dieting. While dieting can reduce fat, it also affects muscle. At the very least, it does not improve muscle mass or muscle quality. And once muscle is lost, the body loses its fat-burning capacity. At the same time, it also loses the structural support that keeps the body firm and lifted. As a result, even if a person becomes thinner, they may not look younger. Instead, they may look less vibrant and less defined. There is another example that left a very deep impression on me. It was a woman in her 40s who worked in a high-level position in a bank. After one of my lectures, she approached me and asked if I could help adjust the dark spots on her face. That day we were indoors and it was cloudy, so I didn't even notice the pigmentation at first. I only felt that she looked very thin and somewhat dry. Then she brought me outside into the sunlight, and only then did I clearly see that the pigmentation on her face had already merged into large patches. In dim lighting, you could not see the gaps between the spots, and her complexion simply looked dull. But in reality, both sides of her face were covered with dense, dark melasma. This problem had troubled her for many years. No matter what she applied, it could not be covered. Even after cosmetic treatments, it would return within a few months. However, she had discovered something from her own experience. Whenever her work was not too busy and she was able to go home and eat regular meals, she would steam and eat a portion of Chinese yam. If she kept this habit for a period of time, her spots would become lighter. Unfortunately, she rarely had the chance to maintain such a regular lifestyle. Sometimes she couldn't even eat meals on time, let alone maintain specific dietary habits. Her situation is actually a very typical example of a condition related to internal imbalance, which shows up externally as pigmentation. Chinese yam is traditionally used to support internal balance, so eating it consistently helped improve her condition, and naturally her skin also improved. The reason I share these examples is to tell you that when you take care of your body properly, visible changes will appear. That is why we say beauty is something that comes from what you eat. It is achieved through internal adjustment. External methods may have some effect, but they are limited and often look unnatural. We often see people like this. If you look closely, their skin may have some wrinkles, their hair may have some gray, and their body shape may not be as slim as a young person's, but overall, they still look very youthful. It is hard to explain exactly why. At times like this, we say that they have a very good state, and this state is actually the reflection of their physical condition. A good internal condition leads to a good external presence. Since beauty comes from what you eat, then eating properly becomes essential. First, we need to understand which nutrients are most closely related to appearance. Second, we can also make use of traditional knowledge that focuses on adjusting the body as a whole. Different systems of medicine have different focuses. Some focus on treating disease, while others focus on regulating the overall condition of the person. You may not have a diagnosable illness, but you may still be in a low-level, imbalanced state. And that is when adjusting the whole body becomes especially important. There is even an ancient story about the famous beauty Yang Guifi. There is a line of poetry that reveals a secret, saying that she secretly consumed nourishing tonics, yet claimed that her beauty was natural. In reality, she relied on internal nourishment to maintain her appearance. Even in ancient times, although there were forms of facial treatments, they were not as valued as internal care. This shows that external skincare has always been less powerful than internal nourishment. So overall, this entire approach follows one principle. Beauty comes from internal balance. When your body is properly nourished and regulated, your appearance will naturally improve. With the right diet and consistent habits, you can gradually achieve better skin, a better body shape, and a better overall state. Are you ready? I hope that I will be able to hear more stories from you about how you transformed and became more beautiful through this process.